DJM TV.
Our sabi ogbonge country people, una welcome to DJM Daily Ogbonge Tori for inside DJM TV. My name na Stanley Okocha. Na me wan still nakuna the ogbonge tori wey don shele for this time. The tori wey we bring this time go concern some women wey don cry come out sake of say dem yarn say some sojo kpake dem come give them better drilling and even swigbe with them by force for inside their Mogadishu barrack wey dey for Asokoro for Abuja. According to two of the women wey no want make we show their face sake of the shame when they follow this kind matter, come yarn say the matter shele between October and November for inside 2020 for inside one place wey they call Obigbo when e dey inside Rivers State, as the sojo dem come burst the area when e be market area. One of the woman when e yarn with our tori man when dey on ground yarn say na around one market when e dey Obigbo, as dem dey return back from market to dey go their own house for between 7 and 7:30 o'clock in the evening, na the sojo dem take burst the area and come kpake dem. The woman still yarn say the sojo dem first take dem go Naija Sojo barrack wey dey for Obinze for inside Owerri for inside Imo State. After there, the sojo wey kpake dem so dem come still carry dem for inside motor come carry dem go Mogadishu barrack when e dey inside Abuja. He say inside the Mogadishu barrack, na there they come dey ask them many questions and come even keep them for that barrack for many days. The woman come still yarn say the sojo swigbe with force for 3 times with arm. She come still yarn say the sojo dem dey always come in the morning and in the evening, and as they come, they go come do gbogbenta to choose the one of the women when e be say dem go take go swigbe by force with. She come see yarn join say na about 50 women na im the sojo dem kpake comot from inside the area for Obigbo. Another woman again wey still yarn with our tori man still talk say she dey come back from market when the sojo people kpake am for around the market square before they come carry am go Obinze sojo barrack and come finally carry am go Mogadishu barrack for inside Abuja. She still join yarn say the sojo dem still swigbe with am sake of say she dey with them with other women wey be say dey kpake for inside the barrack. She come say na God na im come send one lawyer wey come fight seriously to make sure say dem release am comot from inside the sojo barrack. 2 of the women come agree say na 2 women wey na im kpai for inside the matter sake of say as the sojo dem go come anytime they come between morning and evening, they go come do gbogbenta to choose the woman wey be say they go carry comot. Say out of these 2 women when e follow them at the time they take come, say 2 of them no come return back. So they come conclude say they don kpai them. As the matter dey go, one civil rights organization when its name be International Society for Civil Liberties and Rule of Law when dey inside Owerri for Imo State yarn say na about 53 women the sojo kpake comot from Obigbo and come fear say the sojo swigbe with many of them by force. for the tori when e be say the civil rights organization board chairman when im name be Emeka Umeagbelasi sign, the head of the organization Barrister Obianuju Igboeli come yarn say the 53 Naija babes, women and some of them wey never even reach menopause, na im the Naija sojo dem kpake comot from inside Obigbo for Rivers State. Im come yarn say after check wey dem do, e come show say the sojo dem for Mogadishu Abacha barrack for inside Abuja come dey megbeswegbe with the women after dem go don do gbogbenta to choose any one of them when the thing fall on top. Im come see yarn join say Lieutenant General Tukur Buratai when he don retire for this time now, say that time na him be the head of the sojo people, and so he don leave him mark for the sojo area, say na barbarism and monster na him do for inside Naija sojo work. Im come yarn join say the highest abomination when e be say Naija sojo go do na to come down low to come dey do megbeswegbe by force with women wey no know anything and no get anything when e be say dem fit do to any person for inside Mogadishu barrack wey no even dey far from inside the sojo headquarters for Abuja. The group come see yarn say the check when dem really do show say all the women so when dem dey yarn about so all of them get ogbonge work when e be say Naija law yarn say make people dey do for inside Naija. The group come see yarn say dem want make government do correct check for the matter so that the sojo dem when e do this kind matter when e no good so they come face the law and make sure say justice come really happen. The group come still add say they want make e be say the check go still join Lieutenant General Tukur Buratai for the matter to make sure say yes they check well to see say if dem do justice to anybody when e be say e get hand for the matter. If e come still happen say Lieutenant General Tukur Buratai wey don retire no get hand for inside, dey fit still leave am. Country people, na there our tori for still knack ground for this time. We wan thank una for all the time una don take dey watch us and wan beg una say make una like, comment and subscribe to our social media platforms. Until next time when we go still come una way with the tori wey go don dey shele that time, my name remains Stanley Okocha for DJM TV News. Una well.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV.